Have you ever noticed how strange money anxiety can be? You can spend hours researching the perfect investment strategy, watching videos about compound interest, reading about index funds, learning exactly what you're supposed to do. But then you close your laptop and you do nothing. Maybe you tell yourself you'll start next month when you have more saved, or after you finish paying a bill, or when the market feels less scary. But next month arrives and you're still in the same place, watching other people build wealth while you hesitate. The surprising truth is that the anxiety itself is often the real problem, not your income, not your knowledge. The loop begins when thinking about investing creates stress, so you avoid it. Then the stress grows because you know you should be doing something. So you research more, hoping you'll finally feel ready. But investing rarely works that way. Your brain is wired to avoid loss more strongly than it seeks gain. The idea of losing money feels more painful than the idea of slowly growing it over time. Because of that, the emotional part of your mind keeps telling you to wait. The problem is that certainty doesn't exist in the market. While you wait for the perfect moment, time keeps moving. And time is the most powerful force behind wealth. Even small investments can grow surprisingly large when they are given enough years to compound. The people who build wealth are not the ones who know everything or perfectly time the market. They are simply the ones who begin. They start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after it. Once you invest for the first time, the fear slowly changes. What once felt mysterious becomes familiar. Market ups and downs start to feel normal instead of frightening. Eventually, you realize something important. Wealth is not built through perfect decisions. It's built through consistent ones. So instead of waiting until you feel completely ready, take a small step today. Open the account. Invest a small amount. Let the process begin. Because the real risk isn't starting and seeing the market move. The real risk is waiting so long that time stops working in your favor. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.